Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the printer that is underneath. So when you're in Walgreens or someplace like that, this is what you're going to find. How to unplug or replace or swap the printer, the S80D, as you can see over there. We have to remove this screw that you see here, and we have to unplug it from the other side. We have to remove this screw. I'm going to do it in a little bit. But here is the main plug, as you can see. We'll have to unplug this, and then we just remove the other unit. I'm going to take it out and I'll show you. Unscrew it. It should come out like that, and you should be able to do the same thing in both sides. Then you remove the whole unit. Now that we have this unit, we're going to put it in one side. Alright, I just took the other one out of the box. As you can see, we have to remove it. We do the same thing with the other one. So this is the model, as you can see. We have to remove this, put it flat, and now we have to put the other unit here. Make sure that we put the other cable that goes here. Alright. Now everything is in place. We have to screw this in. The same thing here, and this printer should be ready to go. What you have to do is just grab the other tray from the other printer, put it back, and you should be ready. Okay, so that is how you put the tray. Very easy. Put it here, put it like that. If you have to turn it off, you can turn it off from here, turn it back on, and that's it. You see this error that you see over there? What you have to do is just go to the switch, turn it off, turn it back on, and everything should be okay. I have done that in this one, and everything is working just fine.